Cleaning a condenser coil isn't as hard as it sounds. With these few steps, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. Hold on to each side of the grill and pull it towards you to release the clips. Next, swing the bottom of the grill towards you to pull it out from behind the bottom door hinge. Find the main power switch behind the grill and turn it off. There may not be one on your model. In that case, unplug the unit. Can't get to the power cord? Turn the unit off at the temperature control. Okay, let's start cleaning that coil. Use a skinny crevice attachment to vacuum the condenser coil. Start in the bottom left corner and work your way up. Move over to the right bottom corner and work your way up again. Continue this process until the entire coil is clean. Some areas can't be reached with the vacuum. Don't worry about that. Do your best. All clean. Let's put the grill back together. First, restore power to the unit. Then reattach the toe kick grill by swinging the top of it behind the bottom door hinge and snapping in the clips on each side. Give the unit time to recover. It would help to leave the door closed for a few hours before use.